So hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Today I don't have much to show you. I only have a little piece I did back here and I'm going to show you in just a minute. That piece is nothing that I blew out. I used actually resin, so white resin background on the canvas. And then I just had some cutouts that I had on my Cricut, and I used that to create a painting, if you want to say, and then I top coated with resin. So I'm going to show you that now. And I didn't do it on camera, so this is something I did off camera, and I love it, and I think it's beautiful. So I'm going to show you. So it has been resin, so I'm sorry about that glare from the lights. It's a pretty big piece. I'm trying to see. Okay, so there. So it is a beautiful piece I have, and this is in a special gift. So that is something that I worked on, and I'm gonna put like a phrase or a saying on it. And this is a special one, near and dear to my heart. So that's all I have to show you today. And I am gonna go ahead, let me put this back, and we're gonna get started on the canvas. I'm excited for the color palette. I haven't been working with greens and purples, so those are the colors for today. And we're gonna continue to work on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I kind of like this size canvas. So we're gonna go ahead, get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so here we are. We are at the canvas. I am centered. I just want to make sure I'm leveled. Give me a moment here. Okay, so there I am. So good. Now we are leveled. Perfect. So we can begin. So I am flooding once again with titanium white by Artist Loft. We're gonna go ahead and get started and flood our canvas. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and begin, and I am using Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. I haven't used this in a while, so we're gonna go ahead and start with that color. And I have been liking this kind of composition here. Okay. Next we have Pale Umber by Winsor and Newton. Beautiful color. Take a look at that. Beautiful. I'm interested to see how this turns out. Next I have Pearl Lime Green by Arteza. I love this color. I'm liking the greens. Next I have Green Earth by Pebeo, and another beautiful color. So Green Earth. Next we have Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza. Interesting combination here. Next I have Pearl Lilac by Arteza. Okay. And last I have Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. Not sure even if this is gonna show up, but I put it in. Maybe it's for some shine. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't add any gold. No 24 karat gold, no silver. By Pebeo. Should I add that in? Well, no, I already did it, so I don't think I'm gonna add it at this point. Okay, let's continue without it. Let's torch out those air bubbles. And we'll see how this turns out without any. Well, the Artezas are shimmery colors, so I think we should be okay. All right, so let's begin. It is definitely a pretty color palette. I wish I had a little more room in here for my petal, but I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm gonna blow in here. So I'm kind of just dragging the lines down along the petal. I'm erasing this one. Okay. Coming up this way because I want to blow in here. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So I am happy with what I see. Okay. So I think I'm happy with what I see. I am going to clean up my edges and I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here she is. And I have to tell you that I had to do a second take on this one and I had to blow it out again because my camera pod right there fell into my painting. Yes. And I had to redo it. So I blew it out off camera. I'm just showing you because I like the color palette. I'm a little disappointed, but hey, this happens. So I'm going to go in and show you. Take a look at that. I love the color combination. I did go ahead and I added in the 24 karat gold just for some shine. Has beautiful cells, lacing. I love this part right here. It looks like kind of a mushroom shape right can you see my finger? Let's see, right in here, like a little mushroom. I like that. Love the little cellular microscopic cells, the edges here, the border, beautiful lacing and cells here with the 24 karat gold. Love the hint of green, that lime green all over the place, and the explosion of cells here with that pale umber showing through right here. Beautiful, showcasing that color. I love the blowout. I like the composition. It's a little dark here because I didn't want the lights being distorting my colors. But hey, what do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section below. It's a little better for lighting. What you think? And I hope you like this one. It's an interesting color palette. I love the depthness that it has. It has a lot of interest. Beautiful movement. Yeah. So thank you for watching Float Arts by Elsa, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.